Here's another quick tip for RSNA 2023. This time, it's all that you need to know about CME. For any CME session you attend, in person or virtually, the CME credit will be added to your record within 24 hours. There's 3 ways that the CME credit will be added to your record. 1, when your badge is scanned after you enter a session. 2, after you watch a session through virtual access. Or 3, you can add a CME session to your record manually online through Meeting Central. Here's where you can find your CME record and certificates, and also where you can add sessions to your CME record. On Meeting Central, select Program from the top navigation, then select Claim Credit from the drop-down menu to access the evaluation and credit claiming site. On the app, to find the CME section, click on More in the bottom navigation. Then select Claim Credit. The Claim Credit link leads to the evaluation and credit claiming site, where you can also evaluate any sessions you attend. Attendee evaluations are critical for the success of future meetings. When you have a minute, take time to evaluate sessions while they're fresh in your mind. Now, a note on timing with CME. The ability to add or make changes to your CME record will end when the virtual meeting closes on April 30th, 2024. After April 30th, 2024, you won't be able to make changes to your record, but you'll still be able to access your CME record and certificates until April 30th, 2025. That's all for now. Thanks for your time.